Alright, what's up guys? We're back with another video. So today what we're going to be doing is, in the last video did the wheel bearings, and in doing that I ruined one of the ball joints. I was in the process, I had already ordered the roll center kit to fix the tie rod and the ball joint. I was waiting for my JDM Spec B control arms, the top hats, the bushings and everything. So everything's here. Now we're going to be headed to the shop. Today I'm going to press out all the bushings into the control arms, get those cleaned up, maybe sandblast them, I don't know yet. Then we're probably tomorrow going to come back, get those on the car, because later today we're probably doing BC coilovers on Ariel's WRX, but that's for another video, so let's get to it.
Oh my god, it's DJ Lohex.
Before we shoot over to the shop, we're going to run over to Mavis real quick. We're going to help Tyler move his toolbox into our shop. Then after that, we're going to hit the shop. Grab Tina's toolbox. Now we're gonna head back to the shop and get to work.
Lights in the universe.
Let's see. Oh yeah, this right here. You gotta keep this exclusive.
Alright, so now that we got Sir Tina's box here, we're going to Neil's to pick up a blown up motor that he has for me so that I can get the heads off it.
Alright, so it's been a few hours since we last checked in. We got this control arm done and we sandblasted it already. So right now I'm burning out the bushings on this one, and then we're gonna press them out, sandblast them, potentially paint them, and then get the new bushings in. Alright, so we got this arm pressed in with the bushings, and now we're about to do this one on the press, so we're gonna show you how to do it.
Oh my god, it's DJ Lohex.
Alright, so last thing you saw us do was get these bushings pressed in. Now we're going to take everything apart on the car, do these control arms, do the top hats, knuckles, roll center kit, Endlinks, the AFR sensor, oil change, and brakes. these are the old pads, right? That's the new pad. They're not the same size. Over here, this is the old front pad, and that's the new pad. So we got sent the wrong pads. I'm gonna get the front banged out and taken apart, and then tomorrow we're just gonna pick up new pads all the way around and figure that out later. Coilover top hats are on. Knuckle and control arms are set up. Now we just gotta reverse, put it back in. Alright, so early this morning I went to Subaru. I picked up the new part I needed because this was fucked. So I got a new one. Got new brake pads because they sent me the wrong one, and I needed an axle, so I just got a new one. So now we're going to get everything reassembled. The only things I have left is we're going to put the arms in, coilovers back in, then I'm going to change my AFR sensor, do an oil change, and then do the transmission output shaft seal. Alright, so the car is finished up for now. We're just gonna leave it like this. We just did the arms and everything. I need a new clutch, so I'm gonna wait to do the output shaft till I get the new clutch. And I'm gonna do the oil change once my oil galley plug gets here. So for now, we're just gonna go ride around.
Okay. I don't have power steering like you.
Hi. Oh, he's
Power
like,
steering is feeling funky. Be a man. Oh, dude, this turn is...
oh, is that Ivan? Hey, you got anything to say? There you go. How do you feel about the cruise? That's how you feel about it?
No, that's how my back felt about it.
Okay.
Hi, Gabby.
Are we all ready?
Come on now.
Damn. Shit.
You got that 60-year-old smoking all your life coffee.
He's gonna feel like one of those things in his neck, like when he's like 50.
Alright, so now we're gonna take the wheels over to Mavis. I got them all off. We're gonna load them into the Forester and go. Whenever it's wet, I spin all 4 wheels. So I'm gonna put some Indy Firehawk 500s on, and then after that, we're probably gonna finish up the AFR and the oil galley and all that.
Oh my god, it's DJ Lohex.
Pick the tires up. Just gotta get them mounted onto the car, but you can see these are gonna be grippy enough so I can put the power down.